everyone, I'm Jade Bolden, and today I'm going to share with you the USA and Canada doTERRA October promotion. So this month is pretty big. I've printed the promotion out because I don't have all the products yet. So the first thing you want to know is the free product of the month is Clementine. So free product of the month means that if you are a doTERRA member already and you order 125 PV point value on or before the 15th of the month, you get this oil free with your order. Okay, so that's a perk for having a doTERRA membership. So Clementine is a citrus oil, so great for energy, great for detoxification, great for digestion and metabolism, okay? So I would take this internally and diffuse it to help me feel more uplifted. So I'm excited to get a 15 ml bottle. I have a smaller one, but this is a big bottle and they've never done this before. So that's exciting. Now wait, there's more of course. Instead of just 125, if you order 200 PV, you get all of these products and this. Okay, if you order before the 15th, you will get this Clementine on top of that as well. Okay, so you're getting a Copaiba soft gel. Okay, you're getting Copaiba oil, and you're getting a lemon, yellow Mandarin for free. I've never smelled yellow Mandarin, but I assume that's going to be yummy because it's another citrus oil from doTERRA. So again, it's very similar to other citrus oils where you can drink it. It's great for digestion, it's great for metabolism, great for uplifting, great for cleansing. Okay, so the more variety of citrus, the better, because they go in, they do similar work, but then they work synergistically with other citrus oils to do similar work, okay? Now, Copaiba, let me tell you about Copaiba, all right? So again, if you order 200 PV on or before the 15th of the month, you're getting all 4 of these for free in your order, okay? So this is almost $100 worth of products. Copaiba is very exciting. If you have never heard of Copaiba, think of it as like a better version of the CBD. All that hype about CBD, this is a ton of times better. Lots more research, and you just got to use it and you'll see what I mean. All right, very pure. It's from 4 types of Copaiba trees that is found in the Amazon. All right, fantastic for the central nervous system, but it doesn't cause hallucinations or affects the brain function in any way. All right, great for the whole family. So you can take it internally in a soft gel, and you can apply it on topically. If you apply it to the bottom of your feet, it will go into your body and help with your body systematically. And if you apply it on location where you need it, it's going to help that area feel a lot better. Okay, now Copaiba is fantastic for cellular renewal. It's great for the skin, it's great for digestion, it's great for a ton of things inside your body, for cleansing and detoxification as well. Now, if you have never smelt it, it smells very woody. That's all. It doesn't have a bad smell at all. The first time I smelt it, it was, very subtle for me, but I really love it. So I recommend, everybody take Copaiba. Anybody that starts off with a wellness lifestyle with me, I recommend the fundamental 5. I call it Lifelong Vitality Pack, which is supplements, and then you want the enzymes, which helps with tissue repair. You want the DDR Prime, which is the cellular blend, and then you want turmeric, okay, and you want Copaiba. All right, Copaiba in the evening, turmeric during the day, and the other oils throughout the day. Okay, fantastic for the whole body to reset and renew. All right. Emotionally, Copaiba is the oil of unveiling. That means it's going to help you cleanse out the negative side of you and unveil or reveal the beautiful, pure, happy side of you. So we live in this world, and some of us have learned how to self-loathe, learned how to feel shame and guilt, and just hate ourselves really. So this oil helps you be more self-aware, self-loving, forgiven, have more clarity. So it simplifies who you are and helps you live life more purposefully. Isn't that great? So this is why I love pure essential oils, because it helps us on all the levels. All right. Now, I'm not done. There's so much. Roman chamomile is 20% off. They don't usually have a 20% off, but they do this month. Roman chamomile is a beautiful oil that you can take internally, apply topically, and inhale. Okay, if you get it up your nose, it'll help you calm down, produce happy calming chemicals for sleep, for reducing anger and irritation and anxious feelings. Okay, for topically on the skin, if your skin is irritated, you can apply the Roman chamomile on there. If you have bug bites, you can apply it topically right on where you got bitten. It should help with the swelling. Okay. Yeah, so if you want help with sleep, Roman chamomile, you can take it internally, put it in the diffuser, and it'll help you feel rested and relaxed and calm to sleep. Okay, so that is the special for this month for the US. Okay, 200 PV on or before the 15th of the month, you get all of these. You have a limit of 4 200 PV promotions. So after the first order, if you place another order of 200 PV, you get these 3, but not this. There's only 1 free product of the month per account. Okay, per month. All right, so that's all. Now, if you are planning to attend the post-convention tour, I have great news for you. You can purchase the convention kit and get a bag like this, okay? It's reusable, and you can get a manuka. I heard on the Diamond Call yesterday that the manuka is included as well if you attend the post-convention tours. Okay, and if you just register, and even if you don't buy a convention kit, you will get a Together oil for free, and your friend who is coming for free will get a Together oil for free too. So your friend doesn't have to be a doTERRA member. You can bring your friend along, and they can learn all about doTERRA and the essential oils, and they get a free oil. This is magnolia and yuzu. I believe you can peel the what do you call it, the label right back, and it says coconut oil, and it says yuzu and magnolia. Okay, super yummy together. Okay, so that is all from me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you don't have a doTERRA account, contact me and I'll help you set up one. If you already have a friend that does doTERRA, contact your friend, and I'm sure your friend can help you out there. All right, enjoy October, you guys, and enjoy all of these freebies, and please share your experiences with me, share this video with me, share this video with your friends, and share your experience with your friends too. All right, that's all. Have a wonderful October, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.